everyone is enjoying their summer. I'll be honest, I am looking forward to fall and especially Christmas. So as you can see in front of you, I have started working on some Christmas projects. I am committed to a few holiday boutiques, so I wanted to get a jump start, and then of course add some Christmas items to my Etsy shop. So the star of this project is of course this little gingerbread guy. I will try to find him. He, I believe, is from Sizzix, but I couldn't find him, so I'm not sure if he's been retired or not, but I hope not. On my Facebook page today, I did mention how much I love this little guy, that I have 3 of him because I do not want to lose him. I just started with a simple tag for my base and then added a few details. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you the 6 gingerbread tags that I created. In fact, I just made them yesterday, so I hope you enjoy. So the inspiration for the gingerbread tags actually came from this little pink container. I found this and I fell in love with it because I love the color pink, but I thought what a cute way to tuck in some handmade gift tags for the baker, for the cookie exchanges at the holiday season. And I thought if I had 6 of them, it would be a really nice gift for that person. So again, this is what inspired me for my project. So here are the tags all tucked nicely inside this little pink container. So for my holiday boutiques, I'm just gonna wrap them in cellophane with a big ribbon and of course sell them as a set because again, they would just be perfect for that baker, for, you know, if you give cookies to a teacher, to the postal worker. It's just a really great way to gift that sweet item. So I'll go ahead and share them with you, and I'll try to list some of the items if you kind of want to make some for yourself down below. So I think this one is my favorite one, and it just says from my kitchen to yours. I pretty much used the same design on almost all of them. I kept it really simple. And now looking back at it, I think I may go back and just outline his smile. I did outline just parts of him here and then added some cute hearts. Of course, my base is a rosette and then this cute candy cane. And this is from, I believe, a stocking die. So I'll go ahead and list that for you. And then here's another one. I started with a pink base. Again, just some layers of hearts. These hearts are from Stephanie Bernard. Again, the candy cane. And then I added a tag that says baked with love. So I thought this one came out really nice as well. And this one here just starts off with a white base. I just kept it red and white, added some silver glitter cardstock. I added some patterned paper down below. And then I did add this little stamp that I have. I use it every holiday season. And it says, good things come in tiny packages. And then just my favorite red satin ribbon sits right on top of the tag. And for my next one here, I used some patterned paper from Sizzix. I absolutely love that paper pad. And this polka dot paper is also from that pad as well. Just some simple brown ribbon at the top and just a few little embellishments on the gingerbread guy. And then of course, a rosette sits on top of. And I really love the color combination of this one. Okay, I think this one's actually my favorite. I just love this background that he's sitting on there. And then I added this really sweet bow from, I believe it's a set from Lawn Fawn. And in fact, this is really the only die I use from that set. But he sits there on some glittered cardstock and then a candy here and then the word sweet. And this is a Sizzix die here. And then I just added some tulle at the top. And then I just repeated the tag I already made just to kind of make it simple in this process. And I really love the way this turned out. Obviously here you can see that I messed up with centering my punch hole there. And I did a better job on this one here. So I do need to fix that. So here's a look at all the gingerbread tags that I made. Don't they look just so pretty? I just love them. I love them tucked into this container. I think they're going to be a great gift idea for the holidays. And again, even if you're not doing a holiday boutique, they're just perfect DIY project. They're perfect to give to a friend, to maybe if you're invited over for a Christmas party, to the hostess. I'm sure we all know that baker that's in our family or a close friend. They would love to have these as a set, and then they can add these just to their sweet, to their cookies, to their pie, whatever they decide to make at the holidays. So I hope that you've enjoyed all these, and I will see you soon. I do have some videos coming up, and I hope that they will inspire you in your projects. Have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you soon.